see Sunroof Coupe. It's been well known to us for many years. We sold it to the last client. It is an older restoration that has held up remarkably well. It has shown its true colors with regard to who restored it. It's got a big bore kit, tartan seats, and we're going to take it for a ride and show you how fun 356s can be. Well, starts like a 356 with a 12-volt conversion. It's absolutely excellent. It's got a wonderful electric sunroof that is factory. We're going to close it so that you can actually see better. As per our usual, we're going to warm it up a little bit and then come back to you. I'm going to set my mirrors. We're going to... I have to put the antenna up, but the radio does work quite well. Gearbox is great. Brakes are great. It's always been a really good car with caring ownership. Lots of love over the years, or throughout the years. And we'll be back to you, as we always are, on the twisty road and then the farm road, and see what you think of it. Okay, well, we're at operating temperatures. We are going to roll the windows up so you can hear us better. We have a little cross ventilation going from the vent windows. It brakes well and straight. It is really one of the nicest ones we've had over the years, and owned by a senior concours judge of PCA fame in Michigan. And as you can see, the gearbox, clutch, everything are really great. And hold on, wait. Did I say some of the most fun? I say it about a lot of things, but 356s are some of the most fun. It's got irrelevant of horsepower. They're just great cars to drive. They have no disappointments. They're great on the back roads. They're great on the highway. They're eligible for tours. And we're going to show you what it looks like from the outside on our flybys. Leave my window open for this one. No more back roads. No more quiet. One more vent window. A little more quiet. Watch this one. This one's really cool. Can you open the glove box armor? It wasn't really good at eating. Alright, we'll see you on the farm road. Okay, here's a better one since it is Sunday and we're doing all these videos in preparation of leaving for Monterey in the car week. Ready? Here's a good one. Where were you on the night of August 14th? Where was I? Oh, I was here preparing automobiles for videos and hopefully selling them to make a living. Okay, here we go. Well, as you can see, she's plenty capable of cruising on the back roads as well as on the highways of America quite easily, cruising 60, 70, 80 is not an issue. Once again, the sunroof is pretty cool. And open the windows. One of the coolest things is if you open both of the vent windows, you have exceptional cross ventilation. And given the engines at the back, comfortable on hot days like today. So she is here for the taking. She needs absolutely nothing to be used and enjoyed immediately. And again, one of the finest we've had over the years. Basically because she's like absolutely everyone who's owned her. So, see ya.